Okay guys, I am back with my sister Sabrina. Some of you may know her as Brina. Some of you may know her as Miranda. Hit her up, she's single. And she's gonna do my makeup today. I'll link her stuff down below. I don't know. I use this. Is this primer?
Oh, this is primer.
I only dip in that one spot until I reach the bottom, okay? I don't want to mess it. Look, it looks so nice around it. Your hands feel so nice right now. They're like cold and so nice. But you smell kind of like McDonald's.
I didn't know they made burgers for dinner. The onion won't go on my makeup. I look so much taller than you, but I am taller than you, so. I'm taller than you.
I'd say we're the same size.
No, I'm pretty sure I'm like half an inch taller than you.
Yeah, fucking right.
I'm definitely half an inch taller than you.
Are you wearing these? Take those off. You fucking cheater.
Why are you doing those?
I can't see because I don't got my glasses on, but I know I'm taller.
You are not taller.
I'm low-key taller.
You are not taller. We can ask Grandma.
We'll look back on it. We all knew that she was going to be the taller one anyways. It was just a matter of when.
Don't be so dramatic. What's the one? You know, the Let Me Find Out. New one recently.
For the Halloween one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Bitch, we gotta go.
He said.
You know what that reminds me of? Like, him doing that laugh. I don't know why, because it has, like, it's not even the same laugh at all. You know that old video of Justin Bieber when he was doing the interview? He was like, I like that laugh. Yeah.
My own sister wasn't subscribed to me.
She said, let me find out you're not subscribed to me.
I know, let me find out, dude.
A lot of sisters would be scared if he did that. Using his Makeup Revolution contour palette because she doesn't have setting powder.
I thought that was setting powder.
It's a contour palette.
Well, I know, but what are the white shades for?
But you use that for highlighting. Like your under eye and your forehead.
I know.
Whatever. Okay. Is this your bronzer brush? What is this?
My highlighting brush.
Is this your contour brush?
Wait, no, that's my blush brush. Are they wrong?
Is this... Okay, well...
The one that has an angle.
What is this? You're gonna highlight with this?
What's wrong with it? It gets the bigger surface area. What's this called? Oh, what's the difference between bronzer and contour? They look the exact same.
They don't.
Still learning, so like, I don't know how to do all that stuff. Or what you need. Check out her SnapTube because she doesn't have the courage to make a real YouTube channel.
I will, maybe. Yeah, you need setting powder.
I don't know what to buy.
They were mean.
Yo, let's talk about Benny and Alondra. Bro, I want them to just fucking date already.
I cried watching his Valentine's video.
I didn't cry,
no,
but...
I full on cried. He said, I want to describe how I feel about her in all of my 5 senses, and I said, bald. I was like, I want a Benny so bad. You know, in Alondra's breakup video, I support her. She's a queen. When she was like, I just feel like I need to be treated like a queen. Because honestly, like when she said that, I felt that.
Sad girls.
Okay, so now I'm gonna carve out your cheekbone. Just like that. I'm just gonna... It just cleans it up a little bit. Makes it look a little nicer. I have the Morphe 35...
V?
No, 35O palette. It's a pretty neutral palette. And then I have Manny MUA's The Lunar Spell. Fuck, I'm so sorry, Manny. Moon Spell. Yeah, it's the Lunar Beauty. I have the whole collection because it was all about witches and stuff. My makeup lessons are free $99.
Free $99. Hit her up on her SnapTube. SnapTube.
Subscribe. A sugar daddy just DM'd me on Instagram like yesterday, and I was like,
well, was it like a sugar daddy, or one of those that's like, send me your bank information?
No, it was like, he's like, I just want to, it's like, I'm just lonely, I want to talk. He's like, I'll give you weekly allowances. I didn't reply, but Kaylee was like, don't delete it, because we're going to make some money. Hey guys. Maybe I should make a YouTube.
Yeah, but
should I?
Which one?
What flavors are they?
I don't know, but I had this one earlier. This one's not bad. I want to try this one though. So. Okay, you want this one?
Yeah.
Okay. What does it taste like?
Watermelon.
This one's good too.
I'm gonna do your eyeshadow now.
I was just watching the videos of when, and you'd be on the couch or something, and I would twerk on you, and you'd be like, no, get off me. I look at those videos, and then I look at you now, and I'm like.
It's because I didn't know how to move back then.
She judged hardcore. She'd be like, ew, Heaven, get off me. Ew, what are you doing?
You did the same thing to Haley. I still have those videos.
Me twerking on her?
Yeah, when you didn't sleep for like 2 days.
That's a different Heaven. Okay, story. So, my high school best friend, she started calling her Miranda. Don't know where it came from.
No, okay, here's the thing. I met her high school best friend for the first time, and she said, hey, this is my sister Sabrina. And she looks at me and she goes, she doesn't look like a Sabrina. She looks like her name should be Miranda.
She even got our mom to start calling her Miranda and not Sabrina.
Why would you open your eye when I'm doing your eyeshadow?
I thought you were backing up to like maybe re-dip so I could take a bite of my burger.
Right, she can take a... You should do a mukbang with me.
Are you down to mukbang like taco taco? Oh, mukbang taco taco. Oh, that sounds weird. Mukbang.
But that's what it's called. It's called a mukbang.
Mukbang.
Why are you saying it with an accent?
That's how you're saying it. Mukbang.
No, she's saying a whole lot. Mukbang.
That's what she say it.
Mukbang.
Mukbang. Okay, say it again.
Mukbang.
Mukbang. Am I deaf? Like
Mukbang.
mukbang. First I was saying mukbang, and that was wrong.
Mukbang is wrong.
But I say mukbang like she says, and that's wrong
I said
too.
mukbang, but she says mukbang.
Mukbang. Did you not hear her say?
No. Okay, I say mukbang.
Mukbang. Why doesn't it look like this when I do my eyeshadow?
It's in the color Chick-fil-A. Should I do like ASMR? I actually think I shut both my eyes, but it's in the style waffle. I'm pretty funny. Not gonna lie. They're 5-second rule. I almost dropped it again. I like being the center of attention. A little conceited moment. Did I do the whoa? I'm so sorry. I did not like the Popeyes sandwich.
I refuse to eat Popeyes, so I don't even know what it is. Like how it tastes.
People were really going crazy over it, and I don't understand why. Like, I really didn't think it was that good.
Okay, this makes me nervous. Sorry. Okay.
I don't have to do it if you don't want me to do it.
No, it's okay. I ain't no bitch. Okay. Go. Okay, no, sorry. Go.
You're gonna flinch.
Okay.
This is the eyeliner I use if you wanted to buy it. It's the Flash Cat Eye by L'Oreal.
My bad.
I don't use lip liners often, but I really like this one. This one's Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Candy K. Don't do that.
It's good. I'm gonna tell you that. Dang.
Don't make that face.
Okay. Well, I started laughing because it sounded like you farted, but I didn't want to laugh, so I made a face on accident.
We're gonna pretend like I said it with the Milani Make It Last, but she's gonna wash it off right now, so I'm not.
Oh yeah, there's no need for that.
Okay, I'm done. So for her lips, I use Kylie Jenner's lip liner in Candy K, and I use the lipstick shade Anti-Matter. To be honest, I'm not exactly sure what this brand is, but it's called Anti-Matter.
I'm gonna end the video here. I'm tired, and that's just it. So, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow my sister on all of her social media, which will be down below. Okay, I end all of my videos like that, so you have to do it with me. Okay.
Like how?
I go like...
Okay.
Okay. And I will see you in the next one. Come on. Was that simultaneous? Like, did that...
I don't think so.
Okay.
We gotta practice.
It's gonna be... Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay? And you turn a little bit, okay?
Like this?
Like, no, but my way. Yeah, like that.
Like that? Okay.
Okay. And I'll see you in the next one. Come on, you were late. And I'll see you in the next one.